Welcome to this rainy day. As you can see, it's raining. But the weather is starting to get clearer, but still. Rainy day, rainy episode. On today's agenda, we're gonna do some cleaning up. Maybe even remove the wiring, all of it. But mainly I want to attend to this stuff, like clutch and brakes, because I want to paint the inner engine bay or the second body, and that will require removing everything from there. It's not like there's much there, only this part and the brake wiring. And that wiring, the relays and everything. So yeah, I mainly want to remove this, also the diff blocker. I guess, well, I can't get these off, so we'll figure out that, I guess, tomorrow when my dad's gonna come help with cutting up the body. Yeah, this part, windows, some wiring from inside. Yeah, from inside I need to remove all three pedals, like gas, brake and clutch. Just get them out of the way. I guess that's all the interior there is. Well, some hinges also, I guess I will remove, just so I have them in case I need them. For a second I started to debate maybe I need maybe I don't need to cut everything, but now I will cut it just to save time, because I don't need it. I will keep the front part, because I don't even never know, maybe I hit something and I will need to replace that. Well, this is bent, but still won't need to spend money on that. Okay, first let's hack away on the electricity, on the wiring. Let's disconnect inside there, and yeah, try to remove this part that goes to the back door. Also here we're gonna look at what's going on. Remove gas tank opener, and just try to get all the wiring to the front so we can remove it there and just take it out of the way. At least get it to those 2 points where it comes in. I got one bit out. Wasn't anything specifically hard, just disconnected these two connections from inside here. They were held right there where the plastic thingy is. This one. Yeah, now I have this part which comes from under the car, and this one that will go to the doors. I'll update. Remove the windshield fluid pipe to the middle of the car. Now removing the gas tank opener metal cord. I already disconnected it. It's just held in place there. This metal part held it, and yeah, and I lost my torch. Anyway, just gonna peel that one off and get back to you with more news if I have any. Also found one wire, not sure what does it do, but yeah, it goes inside. I'll figure that one out. Oh, it's this one, the open door indicator. Got little door indicators when your door is open. They're held in by a cross-headed screw, cross-headed screw. Rear door is located here, front door right here on the bottom, same cross-headed screw. I don't think I have one for the trunk. Nah, none for the trunk. That's okay. I decided to remove these ventilations. Nothing special there. Just two cross-headed screws to remove the cover, and then underneath there will be two more cross-headed screws. Oh yeah, the cover is held in by two cross-headed screws and two clips right here and here. So we will see. Scary moment, of course. Yep, I lost both my screws. While we're here, let's try to remove this plastic arch cover. I don't even know how to call it. It's plastic part of the arc. I don't know. Sounds good as any name for it. I believe I don't have a lot of screws there. I see that it's held here by 4, but I'm suspecting that underneath should be one. There's nothing, and inside I see at least two holes for screws, and they are empty also. Let's see. Ooh, nice. Another junk falling out. Oh, it's a bit rusted. Nice. Well, at least it's off, and at least we now see that it's even more rusted there. Cool. So this side is basically done. I couldn't remove the indicators, but oh well. I don't have one, exactly this one on that car, but I'll figure out something. So what else? Removed hinges, removed the seating mounts, just throw it in there. Remove wiring to this point. Yeah. Also removed the roofing wiring. Basically it was inside like this. It was connected right here together with the door wiring. Yeah, it came also in this corner, and it went all the way on this side to there, and also there. Okay, so this side is done. Now we can move on to the other one and hopefully get to the engine bay, what's left there. Because I will remove the wirings from the engine bay a bit later. Well, this side is also removed. Oh, forgot the hinges. We'll remove them shortly. Yeah, now we have most of the wires in the front. Yeah, and I guess I'm gonna remove those hinges and then get to this part. This section I need to remove everything there. Yeah, remove everything, so that's clear and I know how that works. Also, that will free up my clutch and brake pedal. And then I can move forth. imported with everything else. So I removed the bracket itself. I will screw this one back on, so they're at one place. But yeah, what do we see? What do we see? Basically, the part that confuses me a bit is the differential locker, rear differential locker. Okay, here's the wiring. That's all fine and dandy. Then this one goes to brake line. This is like pneumo or whatever it's called, their activated one. So why does it have to go to the brake line? This is really confusing. But okay, I will remove it anyway. Oh, maybe it's the air pump, the vacuum for the brakes, and that gives something extra to the activation of diff locker. It's beyond me. Anyway, I will disconnect all the tubings. Oh, I thought I messed that one up. I'll disconnect all the tubings and try to remove everything, so only this one is left and the clutch one is left, so I have more space and I can see what's going on. So the part that holds down the hood is held in by 12mm screws. One here, and one here. I removed it just to get the metal cord out. Yeah, it's not that difficult. Okay. There is this sort of railing that you need to move it through. It's hard to do it with one hand, so I will do it with two. And yeah, the wiring for horns and everything goes through the passenger side or the right side of the car. If you have steering wheel on the right side, you drive on the right side of the road, then yeah, it's there on driver's side. Okay, still trying to remove this wiring from this side of the car to that, so we got that on out of the place. Let's see if I finish today. Starting to get real tired. But we made good progress. I removed everything, now it looks like this. And slowly chopping away to get to the clutch and everything, but I think I'm gonna remove it tomorrow. So I almost pulled out the wiring. I'm just left with this. This connects to some fuse, I guess. It goes to the mysterious box over there that my guess is the alarm. And it's connected to... where is it? I don't know if you can see it. F and time. It's connected to the this part where the hood goes in. So F in time is connected to the hood, whatever that does. I'm a bit confused. Should I? Yeah, and the second part wasn't connected anywhere. Oh, this starts to make sense now. They had the original hood accessories, no, but the original hood opener that was connected to the alarm, I guess. And something happened to the alarm, I guess, or the hood. Oh, maybe after the accident that I think that this car was in. I believe they changed the hood and changed that and couldn't connect it back or something, because there was new cord, metal cord going to the hood opener, and they just connected the alarm back so it stays like you can ignite the car or something like that. Okay, that makes more sense now. Yeah, it's something is connected here. Okay, I will just cut that off. Hopefully I won't need to figure out what the hell that is, but we'll see. So I made a little progress with wiring. Removed this side of the wiring till the relays and everything. Now, just for the reference, this is what it looks like. One second. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, and I'll try to remove all the wiring, and then that will be it for today's episode. Sorry for the, well, not necessarily lack of energy, but for the short video with lots of time lapses. Yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for leaving a like. I will remove the wiring, get it out of the way, and next episode, the cutting begins. We will cut this body up, and yeah, more room, more space, more everything. Hopefully all goes as planned. See you in the next episode. Bye.